Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that recently Siacoin has once again rejected by the resistance of a broadening rising wedge pattern, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the rejection from this broadening rising wedge pattern's resistance, the price and moved down, tested the support, and now finally it has again geared up. I was telling you that there is a very big hidden bullish divergence on this chart. Therefore, we can expect another price reversal to the upside from here because the price end was forming higher low. At the same time, you can see that the stochastic was forming lower than previous. So that was a quite big hidden bullish divergence signal. And the price end also tested this quite long-term support of EM at 21 as well. You can see that this support is now breaking as a very strong support for the past several weeks or months. Before that, it has been breaking as a very strong resistance. And after testing the support, the price end again entered inside this wedge. You can see we had a long spike beyond the support. Therefore, after testing the support, the price end, we entered this wedge. And during this drop, this huge drop, the price end also tested this quite strong support of $0.0085 as well. You can also observe that whenever the price is getting rejected by the resistance, it is forming higher lows. And again, after testing the support, it is also forming higher highs as well. And the broader this wedge will be, the bigger pumps and dumps will be. And we can see that this time we had the biggest dump as compared to the previous ones. And this was, by the way, from this low to this high, almost 67%. Therefore, now this pump can be very, very huge if the price and will be reached at the resistance of this wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Siacoin that I shared, by the way, in the month of January 2024 with my members on 11th of January 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that Siacoin formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone. And this was the stop loss below $0.0071. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 75% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Siacoin, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that previously it was moving inside a quite long-term multi-year based channel. And you can see we found the resistance here in the month of April 2021. Since then, it was not able to break out the resistance of this channel. And after the month of November 2022, by the way, we found another uptrend line support. And this was the formation of a symmetrical triangle within this bigger down channel. And finally, we broke out the resistance of this triangle, and target for this breakout was here. Exactly at this quite long-term resistance of 1.4 cents, and you can see that the pricing got rejected by this resistance. This was a quite long-term resistance, by the way. Previously, it has been working at a resistance here, support here, and support here as well. And now again, it is working as a resistance. This time, if the pricing will be rise from here, you can see that it has started a nice bounce from this support of the rising wedge pattern, the broadening rising wedge pattern. And you can see we have also received a bull cross by this stochastic oscillator as well. And we also have this hidden bullish divergence on this chart as the price line is forming higher lows, where stochastic is forming lower than previous low. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may form another higher high like it is doing every time. And this time it can try to break out this long-term resistance of 2.5 cents. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel that is here at the top of the channel, that is between a 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.